Hey, and welcome to the demonstration video for Bimmer. Bimmer is a 3D context model tool that, with just an address in any major urban center in the world, can generate a 3D context model of a given area based on an address only. So this demo video starts with me on the main page of Bimmer, and I'm going to walk you through the process of generating a context model and opening it in SketchUp. So I'm going to first, from this page, click on Login, and that's going to take me, if you're a first-time user, it'll take you to a sign-up page where you'll simply sign in. It takes me directly to my home page of the tool, of the user interface. So here I can see a preview window on the right, I can see a geo data window on the left, and all I really have to do to start is start typing in an address over here. So as a starting point, just for the demonstration, I'm going to start typing Empire State Building, and it actually brings up based on the building name. It can do it based on address too, this selection. So I'm going to click on Empire State Building. It pulls in the street address. It pulls in automatically the latitude and longitude. I can assign a radius, so you can go with Bimmer Pro up to 1,500 meters. This is in meters. I'm going to work with 500 for the demonstration, and I can choose my output model type. So I can choose at the moment from GVXML or SketchUp. We're working now on other model export types, including Revit and others, but for this demonstration, I'll use SketchUp. And there's an optional parameter here for false height. So if there are buildings, typically more outside of urban centers, that it can't pull specific height data on, we can set a false height for the purpose of our model. So I'm going to set that to 0 for now. And all I have to do is click on the blue button here, Preview, and it will very quickly generate a 3D preview of that area. So we can see here the Empire State Building very clearly in the center of our model, and we have a 500-meter radius around it. So I can actually zoom right into here. I can check out the level of detail in my buildings, in my preview model. I can move this around and just get a sense of, have I captured what I want to capture with my preview. Once I'm happy with the preview, all I really need to do is click Generate, and within a few seconds, it'll generate a SketchUp file directly to my computer that I can open within SketchUp. So it's downloaded here, so I click on that file, and very simply, I'm now in SketchUp and I can see that same model. So now I can move this around, I can modify this, I can import, I can import data into my SketchUp files. I can start here and start building a context model around a project. There are a number of other urban planning and data visualization applications for Bimmer, but this is a quick example of how quickly I can take it from the web-based app, download a SketchUp file, open it within SketchUp, and see that same context model with my 500-meter radius and the level of detail that I'm looking for here. So I can zoom right in and begin to work with this model. So that is, in a nutshell, that is Bimmer exporting a SketchUp model for the Empire State Building.